Ever feel like you spend more time clicking and repeating edits than actually designing? Today, we're going to unlock the secret weapon in Photoshop for supercharging your workflow droplets. We're going to make repetitive tasks a breeze, so you can become a Photoshop automation master. First, let's access our Actions panel. Click the window menu and select Actions. Now, to create our first droplet, we will start by creating a new action. Click on the Create New Action button at the bottom section of the Actions panel. This will prompt you to input a name, and select the set you want to save the action to. Once you put in the name, and click on the Record button, Photoshop is now watching and recording every action you make. Now, perform all the edits you wish to automate. For example, you might adjust the image levels, apply a Gaussian blur, and then save the image as a JPEG. Be careful with the steps that you take, as these will be the steps that the droplet performs. Remember, the simpler, the better. When you're done, go back to your Actions panel. When you've applied all of your edits, go to the Actions panel and click the Stop Recording button. Congratulations, your first action is created. Next, to transform our action into a droplet, click the Menu button in the top right corner of the Action panel and select Create Droplet. This opens the Create Droplet dialog box. In the Create Droplet dialog box, make some selections here. You will select the desired format to save it in, and the processing options to choose the set and action that you want to use. Select a destination folder where you want the images to be saved and your preferred file naming options. Finally, click the OK button to create your droplet. Now you have a droplet you can drag images onto, or choose any image you want to edit. To automate your work, save yourself hours of editing. Now go forth and automate. Don't forget to subscribe for more Photoshop tips.